So we have our roasted cassia that we put into this paper bag to steam a little bit to take off the skin. We can just take that right out. As you see, it's nice and charred, really soft. This is going to be perfect for our chili. So what you do is just grab, and you see the skin comes right off, all that black portion, and the rest is just going to be this wonderful soft chili that's going to go right into our southwestern chili. Okay. You can also use a knife if you'd like. You can use the back of a knife to peel it. You see the skin comes right off. That's really easy. So then you just kind of put this aside, and this, you want to clean this chili. You want to just go ahead and cut it long ways. Just like that, and you see it's nice and soft and pliable, and also it's going to cook longer. So just go ahead and pull this seed pod out of the top, and you can just cut that right off. This is kind of tough, this part of it, so you just want to cut that off, set it aside, kind of scrape off any of the seeds. You can keep those if you like. They're a little spicy, but as I say, this is a real mild pepper. And you can do the same thing with this side. Just go ahead and fold that right back. Just really easy, really beautiful. Put that aside, put those seeds out, and then what I like to do is just sort of a medium dice, just go lengthwise here, and then just turn them this way, just run your knife right through there, and a nice medium dice. Again, you can do larger dice if you like, and do the same thing with the other half.